Well, it's only been 2 weeks and I've already got my second sprezzabox on the mail. So let's take a look and see what I got this month. This one has a very different design to it. Let's open it up. Okay, this one is called The Empire. Stay on trend with floral prints, wardrobe staples, and a little something to capture everyone's attention when you walk into a room. And then it has a list of what's in here and what the retail prices are. Interesting. And there's another little, there's a gift card here, it looks like. We'll take a look at that in a minute. All right, here we go. Let's see what goodies we have this time. Okay, so we have another pair of socks. We have another tie. Oh, I like this one. This is pretty cool. I like the little floral print on that. That's kind of fun. And we have another pocket square. I like this one. It's kind of shiny and smooth. And we have some skincare product. Organic Z Skin 100% organic skincare. So you get that up close. And then what is a lapel pin from Tom Aston of Stockholm. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love it. It's like it's a little jet airplane. Can you see that? Isn't that cute? I like that. And then, what is this? A pen? Ooh, that's kind of nice. Wow. Oh, I like it. Fancy. Fancy. All right, and let's take a look at that gift card that I bypassed before. Let's see what that is. It's from lawrencehunt.co. And the ultimate dress shirt. It is $50 towards a purchase at www.lawrencehunt.co. $50 for a dress shirt. Kind of nice. I'm digging these things. You know, I mean, they're not necessarily things I would get for myself. The only downside about this is that, I mean, I love things like that. I love the accessories, the nice little details. I mean, this is all great, but we're quarantined. I'm working from home. I'm wearing most days just t-shirt and shorts. So as much as I would love to wear these things, I don't have anywhere to wear them. But this is a really cool gift. If you're looking for a great gift idea for the holidays, for the man in your life, sprezzabox, also known as #StyleDelivered. See you next month.